A gas mask that it puts on that helmet.
Okay, I may die again. These zombies will not let me alone. I'm near the tequila. Ow.
Oh, he's
Okay, I'm on
cooked.
my way.
Tequila La is a bad spot. Alright, let's go do our quest. Lasagna, bitch. Lasagna. Lasagna. Look at that gut, bro.
Are you still up?
Yeah, I'm just running for my life.
Okay, are you heading, like, towards the city or away from the city?
I'm still like I'm on the roof where Tequila La is. In between Tequila La and the Eclipse Towers.
Okay.
Yeah.
How's it going, fellas?
Ow, wow.
How's it going on, man? How you doing?
Yeah. That's woo.
Is someone here?
Yeah, two of us.
Ooh. Is this Leo? It is. And the yellow farm goes blue. Ducks say quack. And fish go blood.
I risk it and go inside.
Inside Tequila La.
Yeah.
There was quite a bit that came out.
That sounds like a party to me.
But just do be careful.
Wow, wow, wow. And it goes. That's right there. Ah, the baby boy. That looks like really safe. Oh. I'm good, Dad. I'm good. How are you? Let's go scavenge some cars. Fuck are you doing?
Y'all good in there?
Yeah, we're good.
Yeah, just chilling. Where you New World? Oh God, rest in peace. I'll see you in a year, dude.
There's a lot of seats in here. Yeah. Team.
He's gone, boys. He's gone. Is it full? It is full. I mean, shit, that's up to you, big dog. I played it when it first came out for a while, and then I was like, man, I'd rather get back into Diablo if I'm gonna play anything like that.
I can't
Proof
go as fast
fun.
as you guys. He's a little heavy. Damn.
Phone's at fucking 13%. What about that server you were on last night? Hello. I couldn't get into ESO. I didn't play it when it first came out. And then I think I want to say I tried it a few years ago. I just couldn't get into it. But that's just me. Those certain if I'm going to play a game like that, it's got to be like a certain amount of fucking shit. Oh yeah. Y'all doing gang shit? Not cop shit, right? Oh, you know. Made more drugs today. We made 67 more Abanenevans, aka speed, and one of these. Don't know about cops. No, it was 68. I ended up using one. Correction. Curious about what's over here. Lots of cars. Now, I wouldn't be surprised if there was like an abandoned car over here. Wouldn't be surprised. Intrusive thoughts. That's unfortunate. That's really unfortunate. There's more than I thought. Ha ha! Gang shit. I missed. Ah! Ah. So many of them. Oh shit. There's more.